Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It has been long. Unfortunately, the issue between me and YouTube hasn't been resolved or fully resolved yet. Remember I said I posted a video on a challenge that was happening in South Africa, John Gate Dance Challenge, on a separate channel that I manage. I don't know why, but it got flagged. However, that channel and this channel and the other channels are using the same login email. And by flagging that channel, YouTube basically also flagged all the other channels. So, yeah, it is what it is. But however, I managed to gain access to the other channels. So basically, I am not sure what's going to happen. But if ever it comes to me having to open a new channel, definitely I'll advise you, and I'll post the new channel, the links to that new channel on the blogs. Then you can easily find it from there. But for now, seems like I've got access to the channels, so I decided let me make a video and probably also see how YouTube and Google will also respond. So yeah, somebody asked me on one of the videos whether they should be concerned about the upcoming United States presidential elections. As a trader, should they be in the markets or should they stay out? So it's kind of a yes and a no. Yes, there is going to be a lot of volatility in the markets. And if you're a person who loves to trade volatile markets, this is it. This is a chance to really make some money. However, it doesn't always mean that where there is volatility, people are making money. Where there is volatility, it also means there is a risk of people losing lots of money. So if there is volatility and you are on the right side of the market, definitely you are going to make a lot of money. But if there is volatility and you happen to be caught on the wrong side of the market, you are definitely going to blow your account or lose lots and lots of cash. So what would I say? I think it depends with your risk appetite, and it also depends on the size of your trading account. It depends on a lot of things. If you are a person who doesn't mind a lot of risk, then go ahead. If you are trading a small account, I think rather stay out of the markets, because the volatility that we're going to see might, if it catches you on the wrong side of the market, will definitely blow your account. I've already received emails from my broker advising that during the upcoming elections, perhaps on Monday, because the elections on Tuesday 3rd, I think from Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday and Thursday, I think as the markets adjust to whatever result from the US elections, we're going to see some volatility in the market. So my broker has already been advising people that they're going to increase spreads. There's going to be a lot of volatility, there's going to be a lot of this and that. So if you are not up for that, if you don't want that headache, rather keep your money, stay with your money, protect your money. Remember guys, you don't lose any money until you press buy or sell. The broker cannot do anything with your account until you click buy or sell. So if you are not sure of whether you should be trading the US election or whether you don't want to trade it, I would say it's only a few days. Just stay out of the market, see how it happens, what outcomes we'll see from the US elections, and how the markets will respond to that. You don't lose money, you don't lose anything. The key role of you as a trader, I always mention, is you are a risk manager. First job is to protect your capital. That's your first job. Protect your capital. The profits and all the other things come afterwards, but you must do everything you can to protect your capital. So yeah, it depends on your situation. Some people are excited. Some people are already excited. They cannot wait for jumping into the volatility. I think we've seen some of this volatility for the past few weeks. Uh, it's probably going to pick up a lot on Monday and definitely on Tuesday. Uh, we probably going to see more volatility on Wednesday and Thursday, perhaps even on Friday, because Friday might be NFP as well. And then there still will be a reaction to what happened on the US election. So, yeah, uh, if you want to trade the US election, uh, make sure you have got a good account and make sure you manage your risk. Make sure you understand that there's going to be a lot of volatility and there are going to be wide spreads, at least according to my broker, and there's going to be a lot of stuff. So be prepared for that. If you don't want that headache, I would say, yeah, stay out of the market. You don't lose anything. The broker cannot take your money until you press sell or buy. Okay, so yeah, I thought let me just provide an update and also see if I can continue making videos and sharing the knowledge. If you're looking for indicators, robots, and things like that, uh, I'm uploading on the blog. I'm continuing to upload on the blog. The blogs, they are fine. So if you're looking for stuff, go there. There are pages and pages of robots, indicators, strategies. Just Google, search on the blogs. If you cannot find what you're looking for, then you can always come back and leave a comment. I'll see the comment and I'll see if I can find what you're looking for. So yeah, subscribe. If I launch a new channel, I'll definitely post it on the blog. Then you can always go and subscribe there, and then we have to leave this channel. I sincerely hope it doesn't come to that. Okay, so guys, thank you. Bye.